Welcome to SF brand sarees. Now the factory sale is on. We are starting off with Uppada Tissue Silk SF 172. Whatever replica may come and go, but our SF stands for the quality. Now we are going to see each and every color. Golden pink matched with navy blue blouse. And next with golden black matched with a wine color blouse. And next golden brown, which has been matched with a wine color blouse again, and see this shininess in our sarees. Next is a golden parrot, which has been matched with a contrast pink color blouse, and next is a golden purple matched with wine color blouse again. Check the dual shade. And next is a golden violet, and again matched with a contrast pink color blouse. And next is a silver saree matched with a black color blouse which has a white pearl in it. And next is a golden maroon matched with a contrast green color blouse, an ever hit product in our SF sarees. And next is aqua blue shade with a pink color, which has been sold for more than 2 years and more than 10,000 pieces on same color. A hit color in a market, and again a hit color in a market, rose gold, which is being matched with a navy blue. And these rich collections are now on a competitive price. You can check description for wholesale price and a singles price. We will be sharing the description. Now we are showing our blouse pieces, which has a pearl work in both sleeves and also on a back neck. Thanks for watching, and start your booking.